have gotten a bad rap in the modern woodworking realm simply as a means of transferring power, little more than a weight on the end of a stick. That is not how they've traditionally been used. A general purpose woodworking mallet was a force of control in addition to power. If all you want with power, you really wanted a maul. A mallet enhances your ability to control strikes, to transferring power to your chisel. Not only is it a source of good force, holding it by the handle and transferring all that power to the weight in a way that's ergonomic. It's not just holding a straight handle for dear life and hoping you strike it. You want it to be able to pivot in your wrist, so with little movement, you can transfer a lot of force. But most of us aren't transferring that much force every single strike. What we would rather do is enhance our control. Hence, a properly designed mallet allows you to handle the mass of the mallet so that you can control the strikes without having to focus that hard. This is what you're generally doing when you're clearing out waste of dovetails and tenons and finger joints and stuff like that. But if you need even more enhanced control, you want to shift your pivot point to the top, because this dome curve on a properly designed mallet allows it not only to sit flat, but it focuses the smallest of strikes. So you can increase your power as you need to, whether you're carving leathers, clearing out a groove, or adding a small chamfer. A mallet is not just an instrument of power. It's an instrument of control if it's designed properly. And mine are now available on my website, while supplies last.